Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I am super excited because today we are going to do an unboxing. Okay, it is June 1st. It is my birthday month. Okay, and so you know what that means? The gifts are already starting to roll in. So this is going to be my unboxing of my very first Blackwood handbag. Okay, so I am super excited. I have been eyeing Blackwood products for a minute. Obviously he is not new. His brand has blown up since the pandemic, and I don't know why I've waited, but I'm like, you know what, like, let me see what his brand's talking about. So I purchased my very first bag, and so we're gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, so this is my very first reaction. All I did was took it out the box that it shipped in, and so far I like what I see. I like the quality, so let's go ahead and get into it. So here we have the actual, and actually I'll just take the top off. Ooh, so I like this. So I don't know if you guys can focus it, but it says Blackwood. I really like the packaging so far. Comes with the packing slip. So there's that. This is what it looks like when I opened it. And I know, y'all, there's been almost 1,000 reviews, unboxings of this brand. So if you have, I'm late to the game, but I'm still gonna do my unboxing anyway. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It comes in a box. Here's the bag. There's a little card, which is probably a note. Oh, I really love this packaging. Okay, this is cute. Little handwritten note, and this is what the card looks like with this logo on it. Love this. It's just, you know, when packaging is like this quality, I feel bad throwing it away. So I don't know if I'm gonna throw away the box, but we'll see. This is beautiful. Ooh, look at this insert. Okay, so also, to be fair, you guys, I have not really watched any unboxings at all, so I'm sure I'm pretty late to the game, but I am really feeling this packaging so far. So everything is quality, and I think for the price that I paid, like, I'm very impressed so far. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Look at this color. Oh, y'all, look at this color. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Okay. Oh, so the crazy thing is, y'all know I'm a neutral girl. Look at my room, look at my house. Oh, by the way, I did upgrade the room. I showed y'all a sneak peek in one of my previous videos, but it's actually complete now. So I'm gonna do a full reveal of what the master suite is looking like to give you guys, you know, inside scoop. But I'm a neutral girl. My closet is black, white, and nudes. That's it. So really this year, the past like month or two, I have really been strategic about adding color into my wardrobe, but like subtle color. And I feel like accessories is a really great way to go. So this is the Kendrick tote. This is the regular size. I almost purchased the mini size until I was like, actually, let me do just a little bit more research on the different sizes. And I'm so glad that I got the regular size, because this is mini to me. Like, I love mini bags. As you can see, I have a couple mini bags on display, and they're all pretty much this size. So a Blackwood mini would be like almost like a baby doll size, and I don't know that I wanted all that. So really, I love this. So this is the Kendrick tote in burnt orange pony hair. Okay, this is the burnt orange pony hair, and it looks so good. So I'm so excited. I don't know what to do with myself. right. So we have the strap. Okay. Oh, look at this. That gold. I love the gold hardware. The other thing that I noticed is that the mini actually had this like silver hardware versus the gold brass. So I love the B detailing. Hold on, let me take all this plastic off. This is packaged really well, you guys. Like, I am very pleased. Okay, so, clean with a soft bristle, brush in the direction of the hair. I love this. So, care package, but it has all of, I don't know if you could see. It has all of the fabric of the bags. Care instructions for all of the fabric of the bags. Love this, gonna keep this. This is so beautiful. Okay, so look at this pop of color. Look at me with color, yo. This is so good. Love the B detailing, okay? And it's fitting because Brittany, you know what I'm saying? So love this. Also love, sorry, okay, here we go. So there's also bead detailing here, and this is where I'm assuming the crossbody strap goes, in addition to be here. Okay, it doesn't want to focus, but that's fine, because you know why? We're gonna keep it moving. We're gonna open it. Okay, and this is another reason why I wanted to get the regular size. It looked like the mini size, there wasn't a whole lot of room when opening this, but I'm happy with this space. Like, I don't feel like this is too small, so I'm super happy with this. I just feel like the mini would have been like way too small. This is cute. And then, oh, there's also, oh, this is like silicone for the feet as well. I like this. I really like this. I'm gonna take them off. This feels so luxurious to me. It's very, this is a quality handbag, okay? Let me open up. Okay, so this is a strap. So it looks like there's pony hair on one side and leather on the other side. So I'm gonna, and you guys, I'm a crossbody girl. I love mini bags, but I love me a crossbody strap, because if we're being honest, I don't like to carry anything. I don't. I really don't. I prefer to be hands-free when I go out, when I'm gallivanting in the streets, okay? I like to be hands-free. I don't want to, you know, but I want to know that all of my stuff is secure. So I really like this, and it's an adjustable strap. Ooh. Okay. This is so cute. So far, first impressions are really good. I am obsessed with this. I feel like I made a good choice, and I really see me wearing this with a white shirt. Classic look. See, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my classic style of neutrals, okay? I see me wearing a white shirt with some blue jeans and a pop of color. And I just purchased, I don't know if I should tell y'all. I'll tell y'all. Hanifa, the brand Hanifa, black owned brand, just came out with some padded slides. And so I purchased this color in the slides on purpose so that I could wear the slides and this together. And so I'm super excited. Can't wait for my slides to come in, because I'm gonna rock a white shirt, blue jeans, and this is gonna be my pop of color, and it's gonna be fly, okay? It's gonna be fly. So let's go ahead and figure out what can fit in this bag. So just to kind of put things into perspective, this is my Michael Kors, child, I don't even know the name of this, but this bag is a bag that I wear most often. This is kind of like my everyday casual bag, and I consider this to be a mini. Actually, it is. It's the smallest size. They have like a larger size of this, but I'm obsessed with this bag. I love it, right? So they're pretty similar in size, if not pretty much. I feel like they're the same exact size, which I'm super glad, because I feel like if I got the mini Kendrick, it just would have been way too small. So I love that already. That's the same size. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how much can actually fit in here, or everything that I need can actually fit. So we have credit cards, we have keys, we have, let's see, I'm just transferring from one bag to the next. I have my portable fan, which these days I do not go anywhere without my fan, okay? We have lip gloss. We have some hand sanitizer. So that's pretty much, hand sanitizer was like extra, but okay. And I still have room. It does have a little weight to it once I put stuff in it, but it's actually perfect. So I am super excited. Absolutely love this bag. Cannot wait till my slides come in so I could wear this as a fit, but I will style this for you guys so y'all can see how I choose to style this bag. And I'll include it in the video. The one thing that I do want to say about the bag that I am super shocked about, I bought this on Tuesday. Today is Thursday, and I have it in my hand. Like, when I tell you, this is the fastest delivery. And I don't know if it's because I saw, like, prior to, a lot of people were waiting, you know, had to wait months until they get their bags. And so maybe that's the perk of me being so late to the game, and buying my first bag, that they already got their supply chain together. They already, you know, I waited till after they had all the issues. Now they have these, you know, readily available, and was able to ship very quickly. So I really love that. I bought this Tuesday of this week, and Tuesday evening, I got a notification that it shipped, and here it is Thursday. It is in my hand. So good job, Brandon. Love that. Love that. Okay. So what a great way to start off my birthday month. I've ordered some additional things, and so I'll continue to do some unboxings as my packages come in, but 10 out of 10 recommend. I have my eye on some other bags. To be honest, I think this is the size for me. I might get a mini just to try it out, just to test it, but this to me seems like the perfect size. It can fit everything that I need, including my phone. I'm filming on my phone, but the phone does fit in here. Yeah, love it. 10 out of 10. If you were thinking about it, go for it, okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We have more coming soon, okay? So I will catch you all in the next one. Bye.